3, 2, 1, go. Make sure you're packing them right, yeah? Right, we have 6,000 wristbands that we're about to unbox. Ooh. Not too bad.
Yeah. Ethan and I, we're here at base, and this is the first eye at the Freshers wristband. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Ethan's just put his one on.
Wait, 6146. I want to try find number 1.
That's the mission. So Ethan's looking up there for the very first wristband. They've all got numbers. There's about 6,000 of them. Rumour has it it's downstairs, so I'm going to try and look for it.
Them quickly for the students to copy.
Maybe not. So just come back upstairs. Ethan has found the very first one.
Number 7. I'll put these in.
Should we start packing them? I'll do a little time lapse. I don't even know how to do this. I really want to cheat, that'd be funny.
How are you going to cheat?
Push yours off the
That's
table.
exactly what I was thinking of yours, so don't try it.
But if you get to like the last sort of few and I'm miles behind, which I will be.
Two minutes, 44 seconds.
Get the time ready.
Quickly, 3, 2, 1.
So, between us, we did the wristbands in 5 minutes 39.
What?
Ooh,
I think that's the way around that they should have had it.
that's a model one.
Number 20.
Now we've just got to pack them all in the boxes and we're sending them off to you. Isn't that right?
Yeah, go. Right, that's 16.
Is it time for a meal deal, Ethan?
Oh, I think it is, girl.
It even went in the bin. Right. That's what I got today. BLT. I have no idea if that's in frame or not. And knick-knacks. My massive head's not in shot.
It's a very low angle.
Yeah. It's the same. Superb that is. I feel like Ryan Windridge.
Is anyone going to know who that is?
That's not really.
You're going to work at first then, so you get next year.
Right, so this lot have all been brought here to help pack the 6,000 whatever wristbands that they've got. Gonna help.
If you love it, then prove it. You know how to do it. There's no second chance to turn back time. You got to, 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 you got to show me your love. If you want
Day 2. Joined Ethan once again. Jack, and first appearance, got Demo. That's what needs to be done over there. What's that, like 6 boxes? These are all the done ones. 6,000 in total. These guys are killing it.
Explain it.
Yeah, how do you do it?
Press the 2 sides in from the left and the right. Grab the tape and open. After that, what you want to do is get it in the bin.
Go in the bin.
Fine.